the GoPro Hero 7 is back blank. Or Dusk White, to be more specific. The action camera manufacturer announced a limited edition of the Hero 7 black and white. It is the first time that GoPro sells a special color of its flagship camera. This seems somewhat unusual given that its cheaper camera is the Hero 7 White, but the models are very different from each other. The white camera is the same as Hero 7 Black, which is the company's most feature-rich camera and sells for $399. The new Dusk White color edition will be sold for the same price starting March 3 and will be available at Best Buy, B&H, and Best Buy Canada, and other retailers around the world. Despite having experienced a decrease in its revenues of 2018 compared to 2017, the manufacturer of action cameras saw an increase in its revenues in the last quarter of 2018, to reach $377 million. The three GoPro Hero 7 cameras are among the best sellers.